How to check how many Google accounts are on the number. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Google on your device. Now tap on the Google icon at the top left corner. Now tap on profile at the top right corner. Now tap on the arrow down button. Now click on add another account. Now select Google. Now wait for some time. Now on this page, simply tap on forgot email. Now under find your email, simply enter your phone number. Then tap on next. Now enter your first name and tap on next. If any account is linked on this number, you can find on this page. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.